Welcome to Folly Beach, South Carolina, a hidden gem nestled along the stunning coastline of the Palmetto State. Known for its laid-back atmosphere, pristine beaches, and vibrant local culture, Folly Beach is a perfect family-friendly destination for those seeking a memorable vacation. In this travel video, we will explore the charm of Folly Beach with a particular focus on its iconic pier and fascinating history behind it. Additionally, we will highlight a must-visit spot, Taco Boy, where you can indulge in delicious tacos and refreshing cocktails. The Folly Beach Pier stands tall as a symbol of the town's rich history and natural beauty. Stretching 1,045 feet into the Atlantic Ocean, this iconic landmark offers breathtaking panoramic views of the coastline. Families can enjoy leisurely strolls along the pier, taking in the salty breeze and watching local fishermen catching their lines. The pier is also an excellent spot for bird watching, as pelicans and seagulls gracefully glide above the shimmering waters. Don't forget your camera, as the pier provides the perfect backdrop for capturing unforgettable family moments. Beyond its picturesque allure, the Folly Beach Pier holds a fascinating history. Originally built in 1931, the pier has withstood the test of time, surviving hurricanes and storms. It has become an integral part of the community, witnessing countless family gatherings, romantic walks, and joyous celebrations. Take a moment to appreciate the resilience of the structure and the stories it holds as you create your own memories on this historic landmark. So while you're here, don't forget to stop by Taco Boy. Definitely a passport envy recommendation. After a day of sun-soaked adventures, head to Taco Boy, a local favorite that promises a delightful culinary experience. Located just a short stroll from their pier, this vibrant eatery offers a laid-back atmosphere and a menu bursting with flavor. Indulge in their mouth-watering tacos, crafted with fresh ingredients and a variety of fillings to suit every palate. From classic favorites like grilled fish and pulled pork to vegetarian options, Taco Boy has something for everyone. Don't forget to pair your tacos with their signature cocktails, which perfectly complement the beachy vibes of Folly Beach. So Folly Beach offers an array of family-friendly activities beyond the pier and Taco Boy. Spend a day building sandcastles on the pristine beaches, take a surfing lesson, or embark on a kayaking adventure through the serene marshes. The island also boasts numerous parks, playgrounds, and picnic areas, ensuring that children of all ages can enjoy the great outdoors. For those seeking a bit of history, a visit to Morris Island Lighthouse, a historic beacon standing tall just off the coast, is a must. So if you're looking for a fun-filled adventure, Folly Beach promises an unforgettable experience that will leave you longing to return. So pack your bags, gather your loved ones, and embark on an adventure to this charming coastal town.